Very good morning all of you. Today our topic is prototyping process model. In this prototype process model, we develop the prototypes first, which represents the end product. The prototypes the prototypes represents our end product, how it will be. First, when we will choose prototype process model, we will choose this prototype process model whenever we have ambiguity in our requirements. That means customer requirements. Customers, for suppose there are two reasons. Customers may not express their requirements properly, otherwise they may not know proper requirements beforehand. In this situation, whenever we don't know proper requirements, then definitely we will choose prototype process model. In this prototype process model, please look at the first phases, initial phases, communication. That means we are gathering the requirements. We are gathering the requirements from the customers or end users. Based on those requirements, we will apply quick plan and quick design. Quick design, not elaborated, not final design, not elaborated design. To prepare prototypes, what we are doing? We are doing quick design in the prototyping process model. After quick design, we are developing, based on the quick design, we are developing prototypes. We are developing prototypes. These prototypes always resembles real systems. It looks like a real system, but it is not. It is a just prototype. Based on this prototype, the customer evaluation will happen, and after the prototype developed, they will submit to this prototype to the customers. According to the, based on the customer's evaluation, if customer may explain about this prototype, yes, this prototype is okay. Otherwise, in this prototype, these are the modifications we require. These modifications we want enhance these requirements. Please see this. Please modify this prototype once. They may tell us. According to the customer's review and customer's satisfaction, then we will go for the further prototypes. We will build further prototypes. Like that, we are increasing. It may be one prototype, otherwise the second time we are submitting the second prototype 2, otherwise prototype 3, based on the customer satisfaction. Up to customer should satisfy first. Up to that, we develop the prototypes. We go for the requirements gathering. After that, quick design. Based on the quick design, we are developing the prototypes and submitting to the customers for evaluation. Once customers satisfy regarding that prototype, then we will go for the actual design. Then we will go for the construction, actual construction. Then now, and then once customer satisfy with that prototype, based on the customer evaluation, yes, customer is satisfied. All the requirements are confirmed. Then we will go for the actual plan and actual design. Then we will go for the construction, actual construction. And after actual construction, we will deploy the project. See this diagram. Same diagram. To understand purpose, see, initial requirements, we gather initial requirements. After that, quick design, we develop a prototype for the customer evaluation. We are delivering the prototype to the customers for the evaluation purpose. If customers mention any modifications, then we'll go for the review and update of the prototype. Then again we'll develop the prototype, again we'll deliver to the customer. Once customer satisfied regarding this prototype, prototype means what? It resembles our future product. It may not be actual product, but it almost all seems like our future product. Based on this product, this prototype, customer evaluation happen. After evaluation, if there is after evaluation this prototype is confirmed. That means all the requirements are confirmed. Then we will go for the, after customer satisfaction, what we'll do? We'll go for the actual design, actual development of the system. Then we will write the coding, testing, then we will deploy the system, then we will go for the maintenance. This is the actual prototype process model represents diagram. Understand? Now we'll see once a prototype process model used when the customers do not know the exact project requirements beforehand. Whenever we have ambiguity or otherwise we don't know proper requirements for the project, then we prefer prototype process model. You can see the advantage also same. Because we are developing the prototypes, that's why very less failure will happen in the prototype process model. That only lower risk of overall project failure. This model, this prototype process model is flexible in design. It is easy to detect all the errors. We can find missing functionality easily. It is ideal for online system. It helps developers and as well as customers. Disadvantages also are there because we are developing so many prototypes before the end product. That means the costing will become high. That one. This model is costly model because in prototyping model means it is your actual project we are showing. In this actual project, the customers may feel very happy. Same type of, according to the prototype, we have to develop actual project. That means the developers should take very good efforts. They should put good efforts to implement their project according to the prototype. That is also one of the disadvantages for the organization or developers. Not only there may increase the complexity of the system. There may be incomplete or inadequate problem analysis. These are that means because of the prototypes, we are developing the prototypes. Because of the prototypes, actual same type of prototypes means it resembles the actual product. The product which we are going to build, same product, and this prototype, according to the prototype we are developing the product means it is somewhat difficult sometimes. The customer satisfied by the prototype. Same type of end product we have to deliver to the customer. That is our main drawback, but it is very easy, and easy means we can confirm all our requirements through this prototype process model. According to the prototypes we can confirm all the requirements. Thank you.